is established 17 years ago. At that time, we get a new technology, a material from BASF, Germany, yeah, to develop a new material, and we want to use this new material to offer the market a distinctive, a better helmet. And we have several series. This is the flaming series, and this is a flower series. Okay, we are the only helmet maker. We could make glossy finish and the matte finish together. So you can see that you are not only to see that, you can feel, you can touch it, the color, you can touch the color. Okay, this is our retention system. Normally the people, the other guys has is to just tighten and looser, that's all. But we have one more thing is we have the height adjustment. So it's just, we call it zipper, height adjuster. You can just so easy to adjust the height. My name is Daniel Lu. I'm from Prowell Helmets. I'm the general manager of the Prowell Helmets.